of the entire Full Octane Garage team, we'd like to thank you for an outstanding 2017, and we look forward to an even better 2018. Now, it's time for the funniest and the fastest of 2017. We hope you enjoy.
What do you think of my breastises?
They're fine and perky this morning, Kurt.
Sweet! This is test number 2.
I've got nothing funny to say.
I should probably wear a hat. The glare off the forehead is not so hot.
It's bad influence.
Yeah, there you go.
Have my Coke. Good morning. Welcome to Full Octane Garage. That's as far as we got. Okay, here we go again.
Good morning. Welcome.
Go ahead.
It's an 1 5/8 ball with a 1 1/4 inch shank. So you want to get the biggest shank that you can. That didn't sound good, did it? So you want to get the biggest shank you can on your ball, so that.
Don't make us reshoot this. Because size matters.
Yeah. So.
We're going to do this over here. God damn it.
Okay, we'll just kind of cut into the start talking about the hitch now. Okay. Shank on your hitch with your large ball. I just think you already did it.
I can see we're going to have some outtakes.
Okay.
I could do some push-ups or something.
Oh, I was thinking sit-ups. Leg presses. Oh, welcome to the Full Octane Garage today. Today we have Paul Thompson with us, and he's sharing his 1952 Jaguar XJ120. And it's a pretty incredible story. This is one tough old guy from what he did.
Old?
Old? This is one tough guy.
Now we're talking. So here I go toward Nashville. I had to stop and buy me a new Atlas. I didn't have GPS with me. So I'm doing it. Oh, I did it the old-fashioned way. This is Travel 101 with a map.
Wow.
If only they would put GPS on telephones, then you would have GPS with you. Don't mind us. This is a professional.
By the way, when that goes off, you can hear it because that's just video and audio up there. Touche, right?
Yeah. Is your phone on vibrate?
No. But I'm not very popular, so I don't get calls.
One moment, please. You're not going to edit all this out because oh, there you go.
We stick it at the end.
Yeah, at the end.
Okay, long story.
It has phenomenal performance.
You sure this isn't a Corvette?
Whack off the edges. What we'll do is we'll do a close-up on... You're making me laugh.
It's 5 o'clock. Well, not really.
Quick, Debbie, run by. Get in the video. There we go. Dance, dance.
All right.
There she goes.
It's running. Okay. Where are the dollar bills?
But I think we're about to get slammed.
That's about it. It's secure.
Is it on?
Perfect.
Just in the nick of time. Run for the woods.
Yeah. Back up just a tad. Here we go. You're on. I'm going to shut it down. Park it.
Holy my chest hurts. God.
Oh my god!
This is so impressive. I'm like,
How is this happening?
what?
How is he doing
This
this?
is not safe.
Oh, that just seems bad. That doesn't seem right.
Let him go. Let him go. He has his own way of doing this stuff. I would have never thought that that was a plan, but apparently it's easier for him to do that than make the jump. But see, Theo's perfectly happy in there. Aw.
Good boy.
Now, when they took bags, they're talking about their own wife.
Say that again?
Elvis from the Golden Drive.
Oh, hello.
David Patterson, that dude in blue is here.
Oh, yeah.
I think I called him that guy in blue to his face. Well done. That may not go in my video. The guy in blue.
That is pretty. Breeze? Or what is it?
It's a BRZ.
A beer,
You just call it Breeze?
I did call it a breeze.
Oh my god.
Your old people, you can't take them anywhere.
I have to tell my subscribers this. Nice to meet
There
you.
he is. He's famous.
No, I'm not. No,
He is.
no.
He was on Car Throttle.
Oh god, no.
He was? Were you on Car Throttle?
Did I just meet a celebrity?
He was
No,
on Car Throttle.
I was on car throttle for crashing my car.
That counts.
That's close
Does that
enough.
count? That counts, right?
Did you drive a bike?
Thanks for joining us at the Full Octane Garage. Say hi to Melissa.
Hi.
Run that light, sweetheart.
It's yellow.
That's not yellow.
It was yellow. If I would have been in my car, I would have finished it while it was still yellow. It wouldn't have turned red on me.
Did you just drive on the grass for a second?
I don't think so.
I think you did. We won't go back and look. Looks like a tire mark to me. We'll just keep it to ourselves. Didn't know you were going to be on camera today, did
No,
you?
I didn't know I was going to be on camera.
All right, you're driving. I got the keys.
Okay.
Can you try to smile a little bit? You're awesome.
Driver's meeting in 5 minutes.
I'll be there.
James, driver's meeting in 5 minutes.
Thank you, Ross.
In case you missed it, driver's meeting in 5 minutes.
Okay.
Now it's 4.5.
There's my outtake.
Here today is a survivor.
Yeah!
I thought that was a cop. I'm scared. Yeah.
What should we tell the officer?
He flicked him at me.
Did he?
Yeah. He didn't stop. He put his brake lights on and
Jump out and throw Matt the keys. Yep.
James got it. James got it.
How was your first ride? If it makes you feel any better, we got it all on video.
Actually, that's another Millennium.
What do we got? An Aston Martin Vanquish convertible, Look at this interior. Check that out. Oh, what's that in the back seat? Oh, there's glitter all over the back seat.
Half a pack of cigarettes. It's dark, and we're wearing sunglasses.
This is Pete Powers. Be careful, boys.
The mandatory equipment for the first startup of the Jaguar.
When the turbos kick in, you know it.
Man.
Just think of the gas mileage I'm getting right now.
It's a hybrid, huh?
It's half V12, half Joel. Raining so much today that not only is cars and coffee probably not going to happen, but
oh my God. Even the worms say it's too wet outside.
they're attacking my garage. I can't watch this anymore. Let's go make a video.
The wife's ride, the Audi S5 convertible. Somebody told me I was slumming a minute ago.
All right, Franklin Fire. Everybody say hi. I hope we never need them out here.
I didn't mean to interrupt your conversation, Joe.
No, we're coordinating
You're
for
famous.
the hooligans that are going to be later in the
Yeah. What time the hooligans show up? Have they called yet?
I think they're already
Wait,
here.
wait.
Oh, you know, I could see that. That was good. Zion video. Clean up your litter.
That's right. You tell them, Dan.
I got to make that car look good, Dan.
Oh, I'm gonna get in trouble.
See, bro? That's the car today, bro.
Thanks for joining us at the Full Octane Garage. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and as always, don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you soon at the Full Octane Garage. Oh, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Have a great 2018.